Have you ever seen rocks that move on their own, lightning that never stops flashing, or oceans that glow bright blue at night? Our planet is filled with natural events, so strange they feel impossible, almost supernatural. But behind every one of them is real science, quietly shaping the world around us. In this video, we're diving into some of the most unbelievable natural phenomena ever observed, and uncovering the fascinating physics, chemistry, and geology that make them possible. Welcome to Everyday Simple Science with Ray, where we break down complex science into clear, engaging discoveries anyone can understand. Today, we're exploring extraordinary natural phenomena found across Earth, from deserts and volcanoes to oceans and polar ice. Each one challenges our expectations of how nature should behave, yet each has a scientific explanation grounded in natural laws. As we count down from 6 to 1, you'll see just how surprising and logical our planet can truly be.
Imagine rocks moving by themselves, lightning that never stops, or oceans that glow. Earth is full of wonders that feel impossible. Today, we explore natural phenomena you won't believe exist. Number 6. Sailing stones. In Death Valley, heavy rocks move across dry lake beds, pushed by thin sheets of ice and wind. 5. Blue lava. This stunning glow is sulfuric gas igniting into blue flames at Indonesia's Kawah Ijen volcano. 4. Bioluminescent shores. Tiny microorganisms called dinoflagellates glow when disturbed, turning the ocean into liquid light. 3. The underwater waterfall. It's actually a clever optical illusion caused by sand runoff plunging into the ocean depths. 2. The Great Blue Hole. This massive marine sinkhole formed when a glacial cave system collapsed thousands of years ago. Number 1. Blood falls. This eerie red flow in Antarctica is caused by iron-rich brine oxidizing as it hits the air. Science reveals the wonder behind the mystery. Subscribe for more simple science explained.